this video I will talk about the main tools in the program. They are divided into 3 groups. Inserting something. Edit, delete, move in group layers, zoom in and out of the working field. Save or save as another file. And the coolest tool is calculating how many prints you can make. For a quick example, I'll insert text, barcode, image, and shape. As you can see, they all appear in one place. Let's put them in different directions on the work field. If you quickly want to find out how many items are currently on the work field or drag the one you need, then click on this icon. It will help you with this. Let me quickly arrange all the elements. The first tool is a pencil. It allows you to edit any element that is on the work field. To use it, first you need to choose what you want to change, and a colored frame will appear around the object. The next tool is copying. It allows you to copy the selected element. If we want to delete unnecessary items, then use the trash tool. If we want to position the elements more precisely on the work field, then use the move tool. In it, you can choose the direction of movement and choose how many steps to move it. In this case, we are moving by pixels. You can move one object or all objects. You can also change the size of a specific object in this menu. When you have objects lying on top of each other, then one of them overlaps the other. In order to move the object forward or backward, use the layer tool. You can scale the work field if you need to move quickly. To do this, select the I tool. IT will also allow you to see which objects may be out of sight. To save your template for printing, you can use the floppy disk icon. If you want to save it under a different name and make a copy, then choose a floppy disk with a pencil. The calculator tool gives a roughly idea of quantity of prints and cost per print. Many factors should be considered, such as font, size, and quantity of the character, bold level, dynamic or static information. The calculator gives you roughly idea for quantity of prints based on the inserted information. Before calculating, make sure that you have specified the correct cartridge volume. You can find out this on the cartridge label or write to us for clarification. Pay attention to the value bold. It indicates how saturated the color will be when printing. Increasing the value reduces the number of prints, as the ink consumption increases during printing. That's it for me. Thank you for being interested in our products. See you soon.